Hey, good afternoon, pumpers. This is Chris over here at Imperial again. Wanted to show you one of our newest builds for a really good customer of mine, Josh Hobson, out of Hawaii, as a matter of fact. Josh has built himself a brand new Kenworth T380, which is running a 300 horsepower Packard engine. And on this one, we went with a NVE 4307. We didn't jump up to the 4310 just because this is a 2,500 gallon stainless. Getting to the back of the truck, basically one of our standard kind of setups. We got two 4-inch intakes. The one on the right side has a standpipe. We also have a 6-inch dump. Also, what we ended up putting is, you can see up on the top near the work lights, we have our backup camera that is an option that we put on a lot of trucks nowadays. And when we were building this truck, we didn't start out with it, but as the drawings came through, Josh says, boy, we got a lot of frame space, so let's use it. So we put in two 24 by 36 ProTech boxes on this side, so he's got a lot of capacity to put parts and different tools and different equipment in there and keep it safe and secure. One thing I tell folks, like even Josh, is you can see we got the hoses on his truck already. We sell a lot of parts here for trucks, and basically what works out nice is if you buy it with the truck, we'll put the hoses on the truck. We can put parts in the truck for him, and he doesn't have to pay the shipping to get it across the ocean. So it worked out really well for him. One other option we did for Josh is we have a lot of opportunities to do custom lettering. We have a few suppliers right here in our own city that do it for us. So Josh worked with a Super Letting, which is again, company right down the road, to get the lettering put on his truck, and we can do that for your truck too. So if you like this truck, or if you want to get something like this built, just call us at 800-558-2945. Thank you.